I want to show you all the farm of my boss. This is the main gate, and this is the water tank. In this one, the white one, you see this is for the horse. Maybe next month we have horse here. And this is all the oranges, and we have dates here. Here, dates. Dates. This is the dates. And look at the pathway. I want to show you the light. This is the light. I like it. I like the idea. This is the pathway. Here, I want to show you all. We have a little fund here, but not now. We don't have water yet. Here, this is the blow one ponds. This one. Look at this. We have mango here. We have mango. And this is the hallway to the horse house. Look. I like this, the idea of the ponds. I like this. I like it. And this here. Oh. This is the horse house. But now we don't have horse yet. My boss told it's maybe next month we have horse. But now no, we don't have. We have flowers here. The purple, I love it. And here, and here. This is a mini fountain. See, we don't have more water, but maybe next month when we go again, it's good here. And here, I want you to show you how it's for the flower and the plants over there. I want to see inside. This is for horse again. Look. Here. This is for flowers. I want to see inside because I have also farm in the Philippines, and I want to see how they do it. I want to get an idea for my farm. So let's go inside. Okay, gotta open the door here. Oh, like this. Look, there's a plant. I don't know, maybe this one eggplant, I don't know, but I asked her what is this. Here we have like this. I want to see all because I want this idea for my farm also in the Philippines. Look, here we have all plants. Wow, look at the plants. I like this idea. See?